Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a photo shoot with Erica Rose here in Austin, Texas, and we're going to be using one light here. So photo shoot here on one of the coldest days of December in Texas, which is really like 50 degrees. Anyhow, using one light here, I've got the Vision 5, it's 400 watts with a 16-inch beauty dish to get some really direct lighting on the model. I'll be shooting with the Canon R5 from different angles, playing with this wall a little bit to see what creative shots that we can get, make some pretty cool images, and bring you guys along the ride. Doing things a little different today, shooting with the 24-105 f4, just to get a little bit more range. I wanted to be able to shoot close, but also get some wide angle shots here to try just some different looks here. So keeping in wanting a harsh shadow on the wall behind her, I had the flash a little bit too high, right? And so the shadow was going down onto the ground more than it was on the wall. So I needed to lower my off-camera flash down just a little bit in order to put the shadow right where I wanted it. And so you can see in this shot right here, the shadow is exactly where I wanted it in this shot. It's interesting though. So it was a relatively overcast day, and some of my shots the flash didn't actually go off. So you can see here, this is without flash, and kind of what that looks like. It's really even lighting. The overcast clouds kind of make for a big soft light, and then here's with the off-camera flash. So you can really choose what your photo looks like, and we got really lucky here with it being overcast. So we did a quick outfit change and then migrated. It was just looking for a place that we could, find a more interesting area. I think the location that I picked initially wasn't super interesting, and so we kind of had to make do with what we found. And here we got some neutral colors, some benches that she could sit on, and so we just decided to play around here a little bit. Still got the same setup, using the same settings as before. Again, really overcast, and so not a whole lot of differences as far as ambient light, which is great. And Erica was really a trooper here because it was extremely cold, and she was able to not use her jacket in some of these shots. So if you're ever outside and you're shooting with off-camera flash and you don't have a super interesting area or location that you're in, you always want to try to get more creative with the lighting that you're using. So for here, I just had to put the flash behind her and create some rim lighting by backlighting her. And so I think these photos came out really well. Again, that's one of the things I love about off-camera flash is you can control the light however you like, no matter where you are. If you guys want to learn how to use off-camera flash or see more videos like these where I shoot with off-camera flash on location, check out one of these videos. Otherwise, I will see y'all in the next video. Thanks so much for watching.